Welcome back, friends. Today we have a very balanced class, working on both flexibility and strength. So when you're ready, let's begin with breath. Slowly take an inhale deep through the nose and carefully exhale all the way. Again, inhale, expanding the belly and chest. Then exhale out, softening the shoulders. This time, as you inhale, feel the belly and chest, and then hold at the very top. 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Exhale, let it all go. On your next breath in, circle your arms to the sky. Then exhale, circle your arms down. Inhale, circle your arms up. And exhale, arms down. Last time, inhale, arms up. And exhale, down. This time, circle your left arm around and place your palm on the right side of your head and gently drag your head to the left. Feel a nice stretch throughout the right shoulder or neck and slowly release the hand. Then reach up and over with your left arm to the right, really opening through your left rib cage and feeling a nice side body stretch. One more breath here, then exhale, come back to center. Place your left hand down, reach your right arm up and over, then use your right hand to gently tug on the left side of your head. Feel the stretch on the neck and shoulder. Gentle inhale and exhale, release. Then reach your right arm up and over to the left, really expanding all throughout your right side, pressing your chest forward. Deep breath in, then exhale, come back to center. Then sweep your left arm up and over, placing your hand on the right knee, twisting over to the right. Slowly come back to center and swoop your right arm up and over to the left knee, twisting over to the left. And slowly come back to center. Now extend your hands forward and begin to open and close your fingers really fast. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, open your arms wide to the side. Keep opening and closing your fingers. Deep inhale out here, and exhale, close your arms forward. And again, inhale in front, and exhale, open out to the side. Inhale here, and exhale, close your arms forward. One more breath here, and release. Place the back of your hands on your knees just for a second, then flip your hands palms down and begin to draw circles with your shoulders. Feel the burning sensations fade away from your hands as we warm up our shoulders. Now switch the directions of your shoulder circles. Take one more circle. Then come onto your hands and knees now, hands underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Then rotate your fingers outward, east and west. You can stay here or gently rock side to side. Try to notice the difference on each side. Now rotate your fingers towards your knees, keeping your palms on the ground. From here, tuck your toes under and sit on your heels, and maybe adjust your hands closer or further from your knees. Then begin to rock back and forth, stretching out the soles of your feet and your hands. Being very light on your hands, try to engage all your fingers. Then carefully sit on your heels, then flip the palms so that the back of your hands are on the ground. Your fingers are still pointed towards you. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Very nice. Let's come back to a tabletop position and take a couple of cat and cows. Inhale, drop the belly and look up. Exhale, round the spine, look down. Inhale, drop the belly and squeeze through the armpits. Exhale, push the earth away and look down. Again, inhale up and exhale down. Once more, inhale and exhale. Then inhale, come to neutral spine and extend your left leg to the back, flexing through the foot. Then extend your right arm forward. Finding your balance here, reaching both limbs away from each other, but using your core to stay balanced. Also see if you can really lift up through the navel, tightening through your inner abdominal muscles. One more breath in, and exhale, release. Let's go directly to the other side. Extend your right leg to the back, flex the foot, extend your left arm forward. Really press down through your right hand and left foot, and lift up through your navel to engage your core muscles. Keep pushing away and lifting. Just 3 more breaths. Hold for 2 and 1. Now, if you normally feel a lot of pain when you sit down on the ground, find a pillow or block to sit on and place it right in front of your knees. Then step your feet on the outside of your hands and bring your glutes all the way down onto your block or pillow. And after a few breaths, try taking out the blocks and pillows. Spread the toes wide and really root all 4 corners of your feet into the ground. Your hands are in prayer in front of your heart, and your elbows push away from the knees as your knees push in towards your elbows. Take deep breaths here as you open up your hips. Allow good energy and light to flow in with every inhale, and relaxing little by little with every exhale. One more deep breath in, and exhale. Plant your hands on the ground. Step your feet all the way back to plank. Keep your toes and fingers strong. Without locking the elbows, draw a straight line all the way from the crown of your head to your heels. One more breath in. Exhale, lower your knees down. Bend the elbows as you slowly lower your chest down. Then point the toes, hands under your shoulders, press your chest up and breathe. Do your best to lower your shoulders as much as you can by squeezing in through your armpits. Deep inhale here, and exhale, release your chest. Shift your hips all the way back onto your heels. Open the knees wide. Rest your forehead down and feel the release. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Let's slowly come on to a kneeling posture. We'll be doing a breath to movement flow, so you can take a little moment to look at me as I demonstrate first. Sitting on your heels, kneeling, inhale, circle your arms up and look up. Exhale, circle your arms down and look down. Inhale, slide your hands forward in child's pose and look up. Exhale, place your forehead down. Inhale, roll your spine, shift onto your hands. Lower the hips and open through the chest in cobra. Exhale, sit back in child's pose. Inhale, bring your gaze up to the sky. Exhale, head down as you roll back up to a kneeling posture. Inhale, circle your arms up as you look up, and exhale, arms down as you look down. Let's try this together, moving with each breath. Inhale, circle your arms up and look up. Exhale, circle your arms down and look down. Inhale, slide your hands forward and look up. Exhale, bring your head down. Inhale, shift onto your hands and open your chest through cobra. Look all the way up. Exhale, shift back in child's and rest your forehead down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, head down as you roll back onto kneeling posture. And inhale, circle your arms up. And exhale, arms down. So beautiful. One more time with more focus on the breath. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, slide your hands forward and look up. Exhale, head down. Inhale, roll onto your hands, open through the chest and look up. Exhale, shift back and sit on your heels. Inhale, head up only. Exhale, head down. Inhale, roll onto your kneeling, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Cueing only the breath now. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Long inhale now. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now the stage is yours. Follow the rhythm of your own breath. Ready and go. Feel every inhale and exhale. Guide yourself and allow this movement to heal you. Follow your breath. Trust yourself. So amazing, so beautiful. One last time together. Inhale, circle your arms up. Exhale, down. Inhale, slide your hands forward and look up. Exhale, head down. Inhale, roll onto your hands to Cobra, opening through your heart. Maybe lift up the knees. Exhale, shift back to Child's. Inhale, head up only. Exhale, head down as you roll back up to kneeling posture. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. So good. Let's come onto our glutes now. Take your legs out from underneath. Bend your knees and bring your feet together. Then float your feet. You can place your hands on your knees, behind the thighs, or straight out without holding. From here, extend your right leg up. Deep breath in and out. Switch, right leg down, left leg up. Deep breath in and out. Now extend both legs up. Option to modify with your knees bent, but keep breathing. Keep the challenge. Hold for 3, 2, and 1. Place your feet down and rest for a breath. Let's do it one more time. When you're ready, pick your knees up and extend your legs up to the sky. Doing everything you can to press your legs in together. And breathe for 3, 2, and 1. Release your legs. Very nice. Now extend your right leg down and wrap your hands around the outer edge of your left foot. Then curl your fingers into the center of the sole. Begin to massage your left foot, going up and down the middle line, and even using your thumbs to press on the top. Then holding your foot tightly, extend your left leg up as much as you can. You should feel a deep tissue stretch in the hamstring, calf, and sole of your foot. Underneath your index and middle fingers should be a kidney pressure point, right about here in the drawing. This pressure point is very grounding and calming for your mind. Now, keep a tight grip with your right hand, then open your left arm to the back for a twist. Don't worry about keeping your left leg straight. Bring your awareness into your core to sit up very tall and twist through the spine. One more breath here. And exhale, return your left hand on the foot, fold your right leg in, release your right hand onto the ground, then as you lean onto your right hand, open your left leg out to the side. Going only as far as it feels good. Try to really lift through the left sitting bone and lean on your right arm. You can also use a shirt or towel and wrap it around your foot for extra length. Remember, you can just experiment and do what feels good for you. If you found a good stretch in your hips and inner thigh, then you've done a good job. Now slowly bend your left knee and place your leg on top of your right. Getting your knees as close together as you can. No worries at all if they're a little apart. Place your hands on your feet and slowly fold over. You do not need to go far. just bring your chin close into your chest. Take slow and calming breaths. On your next breath in, slowly roll back up. Then take your left leg, wrap your left arm around the knee and right arm around the foot. Cradling your left leg like a baby, you can gently rock side to side or take small twists. You can also hold an angle that feels extra good and breathe into it. Take one more breath and release. Extending your left leg out long, hold the outer edges of your right foot this time, digging your fingers in the middle of the sole, going up and down and using your thumb to massage the top. Then holding on tightly with your hands, begin to extend the right leg up, and using your index and middle fingers, press into the kidney pressure point. Because of the grounding and calming effects of this point, it's often used to alleviate headaches, even lower blood pressure, and help in sleep. Now let's take the right arm and swing it behind for a twist. Really rooting down with your sitting bones and growing tall through the spine. And don't worry if your right knee bends. One more deep breath in and deep breath out. Return your right arm forward, bend your left leg in, place your left hand down, and open your right leg out to the side. Grab that towel or t-shirt if you need, and lean onto your left arm so you can press your right sitting bone up and really stretch out the muscles under your right leg. Take a deep breath in and out. Slowly bend your right leg on top of your left knee. Place your hands on the soles of your feet. Take a deep breath in and exhale, fold over your legs, bringing your chin down close to your chest. No need to go super far, just enough so you can breathe. Slow and steady breaths. On your next breath in, slowly come up. Taking the right leg now, wrap your left arm around your foot and your right arm around your knee. Cradle your leg like a baby, rocking it side to side or twisting through. This posture is amazing for your hips, glutes, and lower back. It's very similar to the pigeon pose, but different because you can do this anywhere in a seated posture, even on a chair. Alright, let's release your leg. Come onto your backs, laying all the way down. Then bring your knees into your chest and wrap your arms around. Option to sway side to side if that feels good for you. Take a deep breath in. Then as you exhale, extend your legs up to the sky. Maybe take some circles with your ankles. Maybe just hold in stillness. And now, finally, it's time to let go. Lay your arms and legs down completely. Let the palms of your hands face the sky and relax your face, relax your shoulders, relax your entire body from head to toe. As you begin to deepen your breath and wiggle your fingers and toes, be super proud for finishing this class all the way through. I know I'm super proud of you. I hope you feel amazing and so much lighter. Thank you so much for taking this flexibility and strength challenge with me. See you next time.